In this video, I'll show you how to download a report from Google Ads so you can analyze performance data outside the platform or share it with your team. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account and clicking Campaigns in the left navigation menu. From there, go to Insights and Reports and select Report Editor, where you can view saved reports or create new ones. Open the report you want to export and take a moment to confirm the date range, filters, and metrics are set correctly, since the downloaded file will reflect exactly what's displayed. Once everything looks right, click the download icon at the top of the report. Google Ads will generate the file and download it to your device, typically in formats like CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets, depending on your selection. After downloading, you can review, share, or further analyze the data in your preferred spreadsheet tool. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.